Understanding, use your arms in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, use your arms. Understanding phrases like this is crucial for mastering conversational English. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Use your arms is a phrase that literally means to engage your arm muscles for some activity. However, it's often used metaphorically or in specific contexts. We'll look at both the literal and figurative uses of this phrase. In its most basic sense, use your arms can be a direct instruction in physical activities. For instance, when someone is learning to swim, an instructor might say, use your arms to paddle. Here, it's a straightforward command to move the arms in a specific way. Figuratively, use your arms can take on different meanings based on the context. For example, in a motivational speech, saying, use your arms, could symbolize taking action or embracing opportunities. Understanding these subtleties comes with practice and exposure to English in various contexts. Let's see how this phrase is used in everyday language. Imagine a scenario where someone is trying to lift a heavy box. A friend might say, use your arms more to lift it easily. Here, it's advice on how to apply strength efficiently. A common mistake learners make is using use your arms inappropriately. Remember, it's not used for activities that obviously involve arms, like writing or eating. It's more for situations where the emphasis is on the arms role. I hope this explanation helps you understand use your arms better. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances and varied uses of phrases. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it. Have a great day, and I look forward to our next lesson.